Stuck with a blank screen when backing up your Traverse? Here's what to do. First, check the basics. Make sure your car is in reverse sometimes, it's just a gear issue. If the display is still black or shows an error, move on to the next step. Second, inspect the camera lens at the back of your Traverse. Dirt, water, or snow can block the view. Gently wipe the lens clean with a soft cloth. Next, look for obvious damage. Check for cracks, loose wires, or anything hanging around the camera. If you spot damage, you'll probably need a pro to repair or replace it. Now, hop back in and restart your Traverse. Sometimes, simply turning the car off and on resets the camera system, still not working. Check your infotainment screen settings. Make sure the rear camera option is turned on and hasn't been accidentally switched off. If all else fails, the issue might be a blown fuse or a wiring problem. For this, it's best to consult your owner's manual or visit a certified Chevy mechanic. To recap, gear check, clean the lens, inspect for damage, restart the vehicle, review settings, and if it's still not working, get professional help. Don't ignore a faulty rear-view camera. It's there for your safety and peace of mind every time you back up. Stay safe and happy driving.